Water shortage is one of the major problems faced by plants that grows on hills and slopes, especially due to human activities and climate change. Our innovation solved this problem by a method called fog harvesting. The main concept is simple. Fog naturally contains tiny water droplets. By using a large mesh net, we then collect this fog as they pass through. Then, the water condenses on the mesh net, flows down into a gutter, and then goes into a storage tank. This water is then released through tubes to irrigate the plants downhill. This system not only provides a reliable water source for areas where fog frequently forms, but also to store water for drier days.
Our team puts emphasis towards the importance of the conservation of our planet and ecosystem. And that is why we refuse to compromise our morals and values for the sake of profit and cutting corners. We have taken a step towards that by utilizing and recycling waste plastics for the production of our nets. We also choose to encourage local communities to participate in our project by having them donate waste plastics. Other than that, we would like to cooperate with NGOs to further expand the scope of our project.
Our team has decided to focus on two main SDGs, which is SDG 6 and SDG 15. As you may know, SDG 6 is clean water and sanitation. Our device acts as a sustainable source as an alternative to drilling boreholes. Fog harvesting is sustainable and renewable. Other than that, it is more resilient to climate change. As rainfall is less and less predictable, fog harvesting acts as another way or an alternative way to harvest water that can be later used during harsher days. SDG 15, Life on Land. Our device prevents land degradation, as fog harvesting can aid in reducing over-extraction of groundwater. It can help in aiding the ecosystem to be a lot more stable and preventing desertification. To add to that, it also aids in protection of the biodiversity. During drier seasons, the harvested water can be used to irrigate the surrounding areas.
Starting from the top, we have the most important component of our fog harvesting system, which are the large mesh nets. These mesh nets are mainly composed of polyethylene or polypropylene plastics, which were recycled and collected from local waste. And right below these large mesh nets, we have placed multiple stands which are approximately 1 meter long in order to support these mesh nets from falling during drastic weathers. We have also placed a stainless steel gutter right below these mesh nets in order to collect all the dripping water droplets and stream them straight into the storage tank. And the storage tank serves to collect all the water that we have collected through the fog harvesting system and allow us to use the remaining water on later days. And finally, we have also attached multiple water tubes on the storage tank in order to ease the process of the water irrigation to plants on the hill.